G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here, and we are back with another episode, and today we're going to be taking a look at a new feature that is going to allow you as an end user to be able to organize all of your documents regardless of where they reside. So whether they are in your OneDrive, in a team site, and it doesn't matter, you can take control and organize your content the way that it makes sense to you. Now this feature is rolling out to the Microsoft 365 app, and in particular the My Content section. You are going to have the ability to apply tagging and group your documents together with tags. So let's jump in and have a look at this feature in action. So we can see here, I'm logged in as Megan. I'm in the My Content section, and I'm just in the All tab here. You can see I've got all the documents that I've recently modified or accessed or read or anything like that. Now, what you will notice is when I hover over or click these three little dots, we've got a new option here that allows us to tag these documents. Now you can see here that these documents are coming from Alex's files. We've got some files coming from different locations and communication sites and team sites. It doesn't matter where they reside. We can tag them and group them together by that tag. So let's have a go at creating a new tag. So we'll hover over tag and let's create a new one. So let's call this Project Alpha. We might have different files located across different sites that we want to keep together via this particular tag. Let's give this an orange tag as well, and we will create that tag. Down the bottom here, we can see that it's creating the tag, and once it's done, we can then utilize that and tag other documents that we need to as well. So we can see there, we've now got an orange tag, and we are good to go, and we can start using it. So let's scroll down and have a look at another file here. So let's have a look at this Apple contract renewal letter. Living in a team site, but I want to bring that's part of the project that we're working on. So I'll hover over tag, and I'll tag that as Project Alpha as well. That tag gets assigned to that particular piece of content. Now on the left hand side here, we can see that we do have this tag under this section here. We can collapse and expand this as well. And when I click that, you'll notice here that those two documents are there and easy for me to find. Now, what about other documents that are located maybe from or that have been shared by other people, or even potentially grouping together meetings? So we might be having meetings about this particular project. So I'll jump into Browse by Meetings here, and I'll hover over this meeting here, and I'll click the three little dots. Now I can also utilize the tags for this piece of content too. So let's tag that as Project Alpha. Now we'll jump into people. Now I know Alex shared something with me about this project, and I want to keep that as part of that, that communication or that tag and that project as well. Now you'll notice here that we've also got our loop components that are part of this content. Now I can tag these loop components with the same tag as well. So now I've also got meetings, I've got documents that have been shared with me, and I've got content that I've recently accessed. So now when I click on the Project Alpha tag inside on the left-hand rail here, we can see that I've got a meeting, I've got a document that's living in a SharePoint site, I've got a loop component, and I've also got a document that's actually living in Alex's OneDrive for Business. So this way of being able to take control and organize and manage your documents via tags yourself is going to be something that is really beneficial for you in making access to those files nice and easy and quick. We all know how much time we waste trying to find those files. We don't really know where they are or when we last accessed them, but now we can organize them through the Microsoft 365 application through this new tagging functionality. So I hope this brings you some value today. The new tagging functionality in the 365 app. If it's not there already, it will be there very, very shortly. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next edition.